Hi friends, welcome back to SeekaHost India YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the chat verification pin while contacting our support team through the live chat support. This feature is designed to help us quickly verify the account owner before discussing the sensitive account information, making your hosting experience more secure and protecting your account from unauthorized access. Now, let me show you where you can find your chat pin in your SeekaHost India client area dashboard and how to share it with our support team during a live chat. Let's roll out the intro and get into the video. As a first step, log into your client area dashboard before initiating the live chat. And now on the client area dashboard, if you scroll down, you can see the section named chat verification pin. Here you can see the chat verification pin. You need to share this pin on the live chat when our team requests it. You can also generate a new pin here. Now let me show you how this thing works. Initiate the live chat from the client area dashboard by record details and your query. Now we will be connected with one of our live chat support agent. Now on the live chat support, share your complete query with our support team. Now before proceeding with your query, our team will ask for your chat pin to verify that you are the account holder. Now copy and share the chat verification pin from your dashboard on the live chat. Once you have shared the chat pin, please wait for a moment while our support team verifies the code. After the successful verification, our team will proceed with your query and assist you further. That's all friends. We hope this video helped you understand how chat pin verification works and how it keeps your account secure. If you have any questions, feel free to contact our support team. We are always here to help you. If you like this video, please like, comment and subscribe to our YouTube channel. For the instant updates about the video, please press the bell icon.